Ever heard the term Nasdaq and wondered what it actually means? You're not alone. It sounds complicated, but it's really a simple concept that impacts how we understand the economy. Think of a stock index like a report card for a group of companies. Instead of grading one student, it grades a whole class. It tells us how those specific companies, as a group, are performing. Now, the Nasdaq index, specifically the Nasdaq Composite, is that report card for thousands of companies listed on the Nasdaq Stock Exchange. What makes it special? It's famous for tracking innovative, often technology-focused companies, from huge tech giants to exciting new startups. So, why should you care? Because the Nasdaq index gives us a quick snapshot of how the technology sector, and often the broader economy, is doing. When Nasdaq is up, it generally means tech companies are thriving, innovating, and growing. It's calculated based on the market capitalization of the companies. Basically, bigger companies, meaning those with higher total value, have a greater influence on the index's movement. It's like a team score, but the star players' points count a bit more. In a nutshell, the Nasdaq index is a key barometer for the tech world and beyond. Understanding it helps you understand a big piece of the financial puzzle. Keep learning and stay curious. Subscribe for more fun facts.